Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is Precis Writing. Okay, this is a small slideshow to show you what is Precis Writing, and we'll see. Okay, the first point is the definition. How to define Precis? What is a Precis? By words, it's a clear, compact, logical summary of a passage or a text. It preserves only the essential or important ideas of the original. Next definition is from the Oxford Dictionary. It says that it is a short version of a speech or a piece of writing that gives the main points of the ideas. The Cambridge Dictionary says that précis is a short form of a text which briefly gives only the important parts. So basically, précis is a summary of a text. Okay. It only preserves the main ideas and leaves behind everything else. Okay. Only the main ideas are given in the précis. Okay. Next is how to make a précis. Key points are read the text carefully. The steps to do, first step to do is read the text carefully. Then you have to highlight the main ideas. When you have read the text once, you will know that what is it about. You will know what are the main ideas. You highlight those main ideas. Then discard the repeated ideas. Sometimes it's the same ideas repeated several times, once or twice. So what you have to do is remove the repetitions. Then what else you have to exclude from the highlighted part is unnecessary details or examples or illustrations that are given in that remaining part. Then whatever is left from that highlighted part is you have to rewrite it in your own words. Make sure you are using your own words. You have to borrow the ideas from the text, not the expressions. Make sure. Okay. Let's start with the key points to remember. Again, the same thing, only borrow the ideas from the main text and not the expressions. Next is use one word substitution for economy of words. Just like a pronoun is a one word substitution, or a word that can be used as a substitute of a big expression. Usually, pronouns are the example of one word substitution. Then follow the tense that is used in the original text. Okay. If the tense is present continuous, you have to use present continuous in the précis. Okay. If it's some other tense, just follow whatever tense is used in the original text. The narration of the original text will be copied. Then précis should be precisely 1/3 of the original text. What does this mean is that you have to divide the number of words of the original text with 3. Then the answer you will get, you can have a margin of +3 or +5 or -5. Let's say the original text has 100 words. If you divide 100 by 3, you will get the answer 33.3, which means precisely 33 if you round it off. So basically the margin means that you can go up by 38 words or go low by 28 words. Means 33 is the standard for you. But it's not basically possible that you follow the exact word count. It's not important. It's not possible in some cases. So what you have to do is you can get a margin of 5 words more or 5 words less. Next, this is the exercise you have to do. You have to make the précis of the following text. Okay. At this point, you can pause the video and you can just note down the text, or otherwise I'll message it in the WhatsApp group. The right thing is that you can read it from here, okay, and make a précis out of it. In the next week, I want précis of this. Maybe if today you get time, you can make it today and submit it, but next week we will discuss it. The next thing attached to this précis thing is comprehension. If you had found that lecture I had added in the bundle, you will see that précis and comprehension go side by side. Precis was a bit tricky. That's why I had to make a lecture out of it. As far as comprehension is concerned, it's a very easy thing. Just like this text, if I'll ask a question from this text, you have to answer it from within this text, and you have to borrow again the same thing. You have to borrow the idea, not the expression. Okay, take the answer from this text and uh, reproduce that answer in your own words. Okay, this is what comprehension means. That means that we are given a text and the questions are asked from within that text. Okay, so we can have another exercise of comprehension in the next week. Comprehension did not need a complete lecture, so I've just added some few uh, lines about this. Okay, by this time I hope you have noted down this text. Make a press out of it. If you have any queries, any issues, feel free to text me and ask me whatever you want. Thank you.